I'm going to connect the water system to the refrigerator to the bottom of the sink supply lines. Here's the components I'll be using. I'll be connecting this T to the cold water supply line. This is the cold water supply right here. We'll shut the water off. I'll disconnect the sink cold water supply. I'll be reconnecting it to the T. I'll screw this portion right back onto the valve. It's a standard 3/8 fitting. Now I'll put the faucet water supply back in place. I'll snug it up hand tight to start with. I'll run this braided line between the sink supply and the refrigerator. I'll pull out the refrigerator. I have this plastic line that I'm going to tape the braided line to and pull it through behind the cabinets and behind the refrigerator. I'll tape the plastic line to the stainless line. We'll pull on the refrigerator side and pull the plastic pipe all the way through so we have the new stainless steel line. Push on this side and I'll have somebody pull on the other side. We'll lightly pull from this side and I'll push from this side. We've pulled the braided line all the way through to the refrigerator side. I'll pull the tape off. This side I'll be able to hook up to the refrigerator. The other side I'll hook up to that T. The T has a 1/2 inch fitting, not a 3/8 fitting. I'll screw this on hand tight. Back of the refrigerator, there's a little fitting right here. I'm gonna hook this end up, but before I do, I'm gonna put water all the way through this hose. Tighten everything up with a wrench. Turn on the water and purge all the air out of this line. I'll turn on the water a bit, and on the other side, I'm able to get all the air out. I'll thread the stainless line onto the refrigerator and snug it up. I'll turn everything on and check for leaks. No leaks on this side. No leaks on this side. We'll make sure there's water flow in the refrigerator, and that looks good. All hooked up, ready to go.